Let's get to the fun part, recording your oracle or tarot spreads inside the business or personal energy planners I created, found on CoCreateMagick.com. At the table of tools, you'll find the purple bar in the middle of the sheet titled Tarot Spreads. Click on that bar to get to the Tarot Spreads mini dashboard. You can also access the tarot spreads by clicking the small heart icon in the lower right-hand corner of the planner. This heart will be available on all of the sheets built within the planner. We've landed on the Tarot Spreadsheets dashboard. This dashboard has a plethora of options: card study, reflection pages, great for mindset growth, over 16 Oracle Tarot spreadsheets, and over 8 Moon Phase Oracle Tarot spreadsheets with worksheets, sample questions, glossary, reference, and a deck list keeper. I'm going to select the 2-card spreadsheet as an example. If you've never used a PDF annotation app before, the key takeaway when you want to duplicate pages is duplicate first and then work on it. You can move the sheet to your desired location at any time. There are 2 ways to move the duplicate sheet. Grab it and push it anywhere on the screen, as I'm demonstrating here, or I return to the place where I want to paste it. In this case, it's the 2nd week of January. Into the upper right-hand corner of GoodNotes, I'll locate the page icon with the plus in the center of it and click that. You'll find Paste Page as the first selection. Voila! Let's imagine you have just created a 2-card reading. The next step is importing the photos of the cards from the deck that you used. To import my 2 cards into my spread, I will select the photo icon at the top of GoodNotes navigation. It's the one that looks like a postcard with moon and hills. You can already see the photos that I have in my library currently, but they don't completely display the tarot cards that I want. When I click the photo icon, the library pops up and I can scroll through the folders until I find my favorite deck. It's super easy to just click on the card image I want to replicate in my table reading, resize, and place. If I'm not well versed in tarot, or I'd still like to write out my readings, I can select the General worksheet. Copy and paste the sheet as shown earlier. The next few seconds are in double time, demonstrating where I copy and paste the placed tarot photo cards into the worksheet. Fast forward, I taught myself a trick by creating 3 horizontal lines to be used as penmanship rulers. I'm dating myself there. I delete them when I no longer need them. I also have saved them as an element within GoodNotes to retrieve them whenever I want to reuse them for my penmanship. You can also use the text tool to type out your readings. One last thing I wanted to mention before we close. You can highlight or circle the current moon phase found in the upper right-hand corner of your sheet. This is helpful if you want to track your energy and review cycles as they come and go. If you want more insights using the energy planners for personal and business found on CoCreateMagick.com, be sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell for updates. Stay magical.